One more thing, there is a MAC address table is exist in a switch. So right now I am accessing the switch, and here you can see here show MAC address table. Like this is the MAC address table. So right now you can see on the port number F05 the MAC address 1002 is connected. This MAC address is connected. Okay. Now I am reaching on my packet tracer, and here what I am going to do, ping all the computer, ping this, also ping this to this, and this to this, and this to this, whatever, ping all the computer. So you can see all the computer has been pinged. So right now I am reaching on this, and again I am running the same command. So you will see all the entry has been done. All the entry has been done means this is called MAC table. So on the F01 this MAC is connected, F05 this MAC is connected, on the 2 this MAC is connected, 555. So why there is a multiple time is 5? Any idea? Because this 5 interface is connected with the switch. So all the MAC address PC4, PC5, PC6 will be considered on the port number 6, port number 5. Got it? This is the F05. So all the MAC address which these having will be considered these MAC address associate with this F05. So if this computer want to send data to this, so it will be go out from this particular port and it will be forward to the switch. Now this switch also have the MAC table of this, so it will send to this particular. If you want to check out here the MAC address table, so access the command line interface for this and enable and show the MAC address table. Okay, it is not showing. Show the MAC address table. So let me ping once. I am pinging to this one to this and this to this. So okay, let me check out now. So you can see there is a MAC table has been generated. This MAC table is a dynamic. Dynamic means it will be automatic generate and it will be automatic remove. So MAC address table can use for the port security. So what is the port security? Port security means like this is the actually port numbers and these are the MAC addresses. Got it? So if I will want to F020, F024 will connect only this MAC. So it will not allow to this MAC. It will allow only one MAC. It will allow only one MAC. So it will be consider a port security. Means this port only associate with the MAC address. So ultimate other MAC address will not be considered. For the example, if on the port number 1 I am going to associate to this MAC address, if other person want to connect this port must have the same MAC address. The other MAC address means I will plug out the cable and I will plug out my another computer or another computer device. So this device will not be associated or connection will not be granted by the switch. This is the benefit of the port security. Got it? So a specific static list allowed of the MAC addresses, not others, except given the number of the sticky MAC addresses, and enforcement action for the policy violation. If any type of the policy violation happened, then there is a some enforcement can be implemented. For the example, the port will be shut down. Then if another computer will be connected or detected, the port will be shut down automatically, or reset the connection or disallow the connection. So any type of the policy can be implemented based on the port security. Here is a one more thing is called port aggregation. I have connected this computer two switches. One is having the 100 Mbps speed. I want to connect the multiple like connection. I want to like 3 connection or the 4 connection. Here is the 4 connection. Okay. Here is the 4 connection. Why I made this connection? I thought like this connection have the 1 Gbps speed and there is a one port. Each port have the 1 Gbps speed. So when I connected the 4, so the speed will be become the 4 Gbps. That is the reason I was connected the 4 connection. I connected the 4 cables from the same switch. But it does not happen because you can see there is a orange color. Orange color means blocking this stage. These 3 links are blocked. Only the 1 link allowed. 3 links are not allowed. Because there is a some protocol called STP is working. Spanning tree protocol is the name of the STP, which is making any topology loop free. So that is the reason it is blocking 3 connections. So if I want to aggregation is a one term where these 4 port or these 4 connection will be considered only one connection. These 4 connection will be considered only one connection as a virtual connection. So this connection or this feature called aggregation. So there is, when I will create the aggregation, so all the connection will be make a single tunnel and consider only the one link. So once the one link will be considered, so the speed will be 4 GB. Because now there is a 4 connection. But when virtually they will consider only the one connection. So one connection means 4 GB speed. Got it? So it is called aggregation. So yes, of course, port aggregation is supported by the switches. So combine the multiple links into the single logical channel. There is a different protocol are working. One is a LACP, link aggregation control protocol, and PAGP. There is a 2 protocol are working, LACP and PAGP. So aggregates the link bandwidth. Whatever the link bandwidth will be increase or combine to all and provide the redundancy. Also provided the redundancy. For the example, there is a one switch, another switch having the 4 connections. If any connection is broken, then other connection will be active. So it is called redundancy, maintaining the redundancy. If any connection is break, the transferring the data will not be interrupt. Okay, so everything is can be done. Another thing is port mirroring. What is the meaning of the mirror? Mirroring means copy or shadow, right? So port mirroring means like there is a one port inside the computer, there in a switch, this is one port. this is the another port, and they are PC1 and PC2. They are communicating with each other. I want to know what they are communicating. As I am a security analyst or security engineer, so it is my responsibility to check out what they are doing or what they are communicating to each other. So I will use the mirror port. So this port is the mirror port of this port and this port. So what mirror will do means any data to come from this to this port or from this port, all the data will be one copy will send to this particular port. Example, net add port mirror session 1 egress span or source port name, then the destination port. Here is the destination port name. This command is used to creating the mirror port. Okay, this is the official website of the Cisco. So where you will get the complete information with the commands and also with the explanation what is the mirror port and how they work. Configuration mode में जाओगे आप, you need to go in a configuration mode. Once you will reach, then you will select the port range, like FA 0/5 to 10. Okay. Now you can enable the channel group. Here is the channel group command. Channel group and name of the group. So you can assign any number like 1 to 6. So assign channel number 1, and then you need to mode. Mode is enable or auto, whatever mode you can do it. Active, auto, desirable, on and passive. So you need to do the active, so it will be converted into active. Same thing you need to do on this interface. Okay, the whatever the port will be connect, I will give the range of those port.
ये ऑटोमेटिक ले लेगा ना सर?
ये ऑटोमेटिक ले लेगा.
ओके सर.
Range I will have to assign. I will have to assign the range. रेंज आपकी सीक्वेंस में होनी चाहिए, जैसे 1 से 5, 5 से 10 या 1 से 10. Whatever the port will be, port must be in a sequence like 0, 1 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20. Are you getting my point? So same thing you need to do on this another computer. Okay. What you need to do? Interface range and fast Ethernet 0/5 to 10 and group channel group. No, group channel. Actually it is not possible to remember all the commands, so this is the good option. Channel group, bun and mode active. Here it is. After some time you can see this is down interface, link has been down, but after some time it will be up. Okay, and make sure you will be connect from 5, 7,